Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what do we got going on today? Well, this is my most favorite part, tasting. And if you remember, it was about, let's see, 3 months ago we made some eggnog. Let's give it a try. Okay, but first things first, if you can really do one or all 5 of these things, it'd really be appreciated. Number 1, subscribe if you haven't got a chance to do that yet. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Share it with your friends. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. And please leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so if you remember, we made some eggnog. I know it's a little bit late for the season, if you want to proceed, but you know what? Eggnog is good anytime. Okay? So we're going to give this a try. As you can see, I already tried some, but that's okay. I do love eggnog. Okay. It looks very nice. I can smell like a little bit on the spicy side. Maybe I can smell some of the nutmeg. It might be what that is. I can sure smell the bourbon coming through. And I think I also smell a little vanilla, but it don't have vanilla in it, but it seems to have a little bit of vanilla in it. Alright, let's give this a try. Okay, so let's give this a try. Well, first off, very first thing I get is a real creamy texture, because it is very creamy. Maybe a little silky. It's very smooth. You get a little gentle bite, very little. But then on the other hand, it's a little prickly on the tongue. It sure does have a richness to it. And like I said, creamy. That is fantastic. Sitting down by the fire. There's nothing wrong with that, or maybe on Christmas morning. Wow, that is pretty fantastic. If you like eggnog, you ought to try some of this. Okay, I might have just a little bit more. Okay, so we'll finish this up. Like I said, I mean the finish on it is a really well balanced. I mean, like coat your tongue. You know, of course, it's a very creamy drink. It's very pleasant. And I think with it's very, how do I want to put that? It just has a richness and a smooth taste, and very warm. Very, very nice. I'm very pleased with that. I think it's going to be on my to-do list every year. I really love it for the holidays. This was my first attempt at eggnog. Very nice. Okay. So what I'm going to do after this is all over, I will put the ingredients list at the end and any instructions at the end of this video. I hope if you like eggnog, you'll make some for yourself. Happy holidays, and one thing last to say. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.